children of Carnations B. I am your class teacher, Miss Disha ma'am. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good and taking all the precautionary measures amid this ongoing situation. So everyone, let's start our day with Gayatri Mantra. Stand up all of you, join your hands, put your feet together, close your eyes and repeat after Disha ma'am. Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Everyone, rub your hands, put it on your eyes, open your eyes, feeling relaxed? Good. So children, today is Labor Day. Do you know what do we mean by labor? Laborers are the workers who help us, and today is the day that we all thank them. For example, teacher gives us education, doctor treat us when we get sick, plumber help us in fixing taps, sinks, shower, etc. and policemen protect us from bad people. So children, let's go and make a card to thank them all. So children, let's start our card making activity. For card making, you all need any size of white sheet, a Fevicol, a scissor, a pencil, an eraser, sketch pens and a color box. So let's start our card making. Take your white sheet and fold it into half, just like this. Now take your pencil and take the help of your mama, and now you have to make a U. You all know now how to write U, so you have to make just like this. Now you have to cut it, and you have to cut it from 3 sides only, just like this. See, we have cut it from 3 sides only. So you have to cut it from 3 sides and it will look like this. Now let's make the face. With the help of the bottom of your Fevicol, you have to make a circle and cut the circle just like this. Now let's make something else. Let's make a hat. Cut the hat just like this. Remember children, take the help of your mama while doing the cutting. You do not have to touch the scissors to do the cutting work. Now with the help of Fevicol, let's paste the circle on the card. Take the help of your mama and paste the circle on the card. Just like this. And now let's paste the hat also. Can you all tell me what does it look like? It looks like a man. So children, we have cut the card from the 3 sides. Then we have cut the circle and a hat. We have pasted the circle on the card and put the Fevicol on the half of the circle. Then we pasted the hat on the circle. Now let's make some tools on this card. Take the pencil and make some tools. You can take the help of your mama in making the tools. Do you all know who uses this tool? Think who uses this tool? Well, you will get to know. You have to wait, children. Now you can take your color box and you can color it nicely. What is the color of the face? Skin color. So you have to do skin color on the face. Everyone will do the color beautifully. Now you can color the hat. Disha ma'am is doing yellow color. Color the uniform. I am taking orange color. You can take any color. Children, we have made this tool now. Now let's do the outline of this tool with the help of black sketch pen. Now let's make the eyes and the mouth. Everyone make the mouth from the red sketch pen. Now can you tell me what does it look like? Oh, it looks like a plumber, and plumber helps in fixing our sinks, bathtubs, taps, showers, etc. Now, let's write something inside this card. Today is a Labor Day, so we all write Happy Labor Day. And we all want to thank them, so we will write thank you. Don't forget to write your name. From, I have written my name. You have to write your name, and you can color the card from the inside also. So now our card will look like this. See, beautiful now? And ma'am has written thank you also. Happy Labor Day and thank you. What is this? This is a plumber. Plumber helps in fixing our taps, sinks, shower, etc. Ma'am has made some more helpers. Policemen. Policemen protect us from bad people. Doctor. Doctor treat us when we get sick. And teacher gives us education. Children, you can make any of these helpers. So children, when the lockdown will get over and you will meet the people, you have to give this card to the helper and say them, thank you for helping us. I hope you all enjoyed the art and craft class, and do take the help of your parents while making this card. Bye bye children. Stay indoors and stay safe.